Cloves offer many health benefits, some of which includes providing aid in digestion, having antimicrobial properties, fighting against cancer, protecting the liver, boosting the immune system, controlling diabetes, and preserving bones quality, and containing anti-mutagenic properties as well as fighting against oral disease and headaches, while displaying the aphrodisiac properties as well. Better digestion. Cloves improve digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. Cloves are also good for reducing flatulence, gastric irritability, dyspepsia, and nausea. Cloves can be roasted, powdered, and taken with honey for relief in digestive disorder. Chemopreventive properties. Cloves are of interest to a medical community due to their chemopreventive or anti-carcinogenic properties. Tests have showed that cloves are helpful in controlling the lung cancer in its early stages. Liver protection. Cloves contain high amount of antioxidants which are ideal for protecting the organs from effects of free radicals, especially the liver. Metabolism in the long run increases the free radical production and lipid profile, which decreases the antioxidants in the liver. Diabetes control. Cloves have been used in many traditional remedies for the number of diseases. One such disease is diabetes. In patients suffering from diabetes, the amount of insulin produced by the body is not sufficient or insulin is not produced at all. Boost the immune system. Ayurveda describes certain plants to be effective in developing and protecting the immune system. One such plant is clove. The dry flower bud of clove contains compounds that help in improving the immune system by increasing the white blood cell count, thereby improving the delayed type hypersensitivity.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.